Okay guys, I got a batch of 24 buns for $2.99. They were $3.98, so they're $1 off. What am I going to do with these? I am going to make sloppy joes. You can do any number of things, so 24 buns for $3 is a really good deal. Okay, so I've got my hamburger that was frozen right here in my pan. I'm going to put a little water in here to frost it and get my sloppy joes made. Why do I cook my frozen hamburger in the pan? Just so I don't have to dirty another bowl to defrost it in the microwave. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now.